Alaskans should know that the legislature cut almost $400 million from the operating budget and over $475 million from the capital budget last year.
People of Alaska should be confident that the Senate Finance Committee is going to be mindful of their position in this debate about revenues.
And certainly before we move forward with consideration of actual revenue measures to extract money from Alaskans to support services that other Alaskans might receive, we want to make sure that there's the right size of government.
The fruits of your labor, Alaskans' labor, belongs to them. And for government to get permission to use some of that to fund government, they need to be confident that government has been cut and that it is not bloated or fat or wasteful.
The right size of government is what 11 senators, 21 representatives, and 1 governor agrees to.
We are not here to come to the rescue of government by a bunch of revenue measures. We're here to make sure it serves the people and that their best interests are addressed.
Hello, Alaska. You're joining us in the Senate Finance Committee today. I'm Senator Anna McKinnon.
I'm Pete Kelly.
And we wanted to invite you to ask questions to the Senate Finance Committee directly.
Send in your questions. Just film yourself however you can with your camera or your phone or whatever works. It doesn't have to be super quality, but give us your questions on the financial issues that face the state. Make it short and make it to the point so that we can, with hope, answer it on Facebook.
And please remember that if you send us a question, that it is giving us the privilege and the authorization to make it go viral. So we hope that your questions are good, succinct, and that as they go out to the rest of the world, specifically we hope to rural Alaska and other cities across our state, that you make that something you want to be seen somewhere else.
Want to be a star, want to be relevant? Send us your questions.